how to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen isn't quick. It's an easy problem, and if you want to fix it, all you need to do, just type here background apps and then turn off the first option. If you want to turn off all those background apps here, now go back and now open Riot Games folder, and I have it here. And if you can't find it, right click on Valorant icon, then click open file location and click here to go back, and here we'll find Valorant, and here's it, Valorant. Click on it, then click live, and now delete those two those two files. Right click and click delete, and that's it. After that, just restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.